name is James Gear, and I was a ship fitter pipe third classman. 2 weeks after I was graduated, I was aboard the USS Hector. So it was that quick. I was excited. I really was. It was. I reported to to Treasure Island again, and that's where I got my orders from there to go to report to the USS Hector. So they gave me a ticket there to get on a plane and get down there. And I saw that ship. I thought, wow, this is a big ship. It was exciting. It really was. I was pretty green. And I think within just a few days, we pulled out for the Philippines. That was my first port overseas. It was exciting. I was nervous, I had a shipmate that had gone to boot camp with me too before, so he was with me. So I had a friend there, so that made it nice. But they didn't have a spot for me right away, and they had an opening in the pipe shop. They said they could put me in, and by accident, they came around later on and said, "We'll move you down." I said, "No, I like this, and I think this is what I want to do." So they agreed to that, and I was good at it. So for the 2 years I was active, I worked in the pipe shop and alongside the welding shop also, but got a lot of training in that area, and